Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I meal prep for breakfast. I have to be at work early in the morning, so I need something that I can just pop in the microwave, quick and easy, and just go. So if you're like me and you need a quick breakfast, or if you just don't really feel like making breakfast every morning, then keep watching. Let's get started. You will need 8 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, I'm using almond milk, black pepper and garlic powder, then whatever other ingredients you'd like to mix in. I'll be using peppers, green onion, turkey bacon crumbles, shredded cheese, and spinach, but you could use whatever you'd like. Preheat your oven to 375. In a mixing bowl, add in the milk and seasonings and beat the eggs. Then mix in your cheese, peppers, bacon, and whatever ingredients you'd like to add. Pour the mixture into a baking dish and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. When it comes out of the oven, it's going to look like this. Let it cool, then slice it and package it up for the week. So you can pair these with toast, or you can eat fruit on the side, or oatmeal, or you can just eat them as is, whatever you'd like. So there you have it, my quick and easy breakfast meal prep. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another demo.